Right, today we're doing a little Google thing again. So I'm going to search for Fortnite weapon. If I find a grey pistol, the video ends. So, here we are. I won't just count this because you don't know if it's grey or not. So either the photo of it has to be grey, or then it has to be like a picture in game where it has a grey outline, or a photo of an inventory. So let's go looking. That's blue. Last time I checked. There's white. Yeah. I won't count this. So let's keep on going. Oh, that's fucking.